Doesn't it look like it is about to rain?
Yeah.
I know how to stay dry.
How?
Stay in Arrow's secret rain/tornado shelter.
That idea might work, don't you think? Should we go now?
Guess what time it is?
I don't know. What time is it?
It's elimination time. You lost the contest last time, so maybe you're gonna be Let's see the votes.
We got 3 votes.
Again. Period and exclamation point are safe with 0 votes, so is restart. It's down to question mark and arrow. And arrow is eliminated. This episode is a staring contest. A contestant from each team will sit in these chairs.
Wait, those are chairs?
We had budget cuts. Anyways, the contestant who blinks first will be out of the competition. The last 2 people on the leaderboard will compete, and the person who loses has their team up for elimination. Looks like Magnet is gone, so period.
Don't restart? Oh no!
Looks like you win! Exclamation point. Now it's the semi-finals.
Hey! Hi, period!
Blink! Blink! Blink!
You've all been waiting for the final.
Why so happy when you're about to lose? Yay!